Hey everybody, Douglas here. And so a lot of times at RAIZOR, we get asked by businesses, we know our competitors are using AI. We know we need to start learning how to do it and implement it into our workflows, but we don't know where to get started. We feel overwhelmed. And that's really where we come in, because one of our specialties is that we can help companies look at their existing tool stack, look at where there's pain points and bottlenecks, and then together work out how to take their custom workflows and create automations that are going to streamline things. Sometimes it's just a matter of connecting existing systems. It doesn't even require tons of work to save lots of time or to make more money. Other times it might mean looking into the kind of more custom workflow, mapping it out, figuring out how much time it's going to save, and then putting a proposal together for that project. And so what I'll show you is a little bit about that. So first of all, our evaluation audit, and I promise this is going to be more of an exciting video than this sounds, hopefully, this is just our landing page where you can go learn about how it unfolds. It's typically done over at least 3 meetings, depending on how complicated the company's workflows are and how much you want to discuss. Anyway, we run the meeting out of this spreadsheet that we designed. The first tab is really just to get an overview of the company and sort of where there might be some immediate things that you want to work on, as well as just kind of what perhaps companies in your space are doing and what you know about or what we know about that we might want to research. From there, we kind of go through each department and look at pain points, usage, hassle levels, what's currently integrated, what tools you have subscriptions for. So it's actually really useful. We go through all of these things and then bring to the top the ones that should be prioritized. And we do that with this kind of scoring system. Things change as we go. And so that means that we can prioritize which tasks we want to look at and maybe automate. And so from there, we get a short list where we map it out a little bit more carefully in text, and then we'll go away and we'll actually create this sort of workflow. Now, this is just very basic Miro board, but it's a 2-step process for their proposal generator. There goes from a transcript from a Zoom call in this case, all the way through to create a brief with AI. Then there'll be a human edit. They'll finalize that brief. Then they'll take that brief, upload it to another AI automation process, and it'll produce a slide deck. And so that's what we mapped out during this evaluation process, which was really cool. And from there, we were able to, because we know how much time they were spending on these things, establish some metrics that we could measure against, before we started to automate and then after. So in this case, it took them, they were doing a lot of these every month. And so we figured out this could save them thousands of dollars a month to implement this. And so this would be kind of our goal of what we want to save. Sometimes we save significantly more than we even estimate, but that's at least a good starting point to look at. So this is the evaluation audit. It's really useful. It's really actually pretty fun to do because we look at what you're already using and where there might be some immediate wins. And it's really amazing like how much we can save time and even boost income through some things that are just very, relatively simple to automate. An investment up front, but then immediately, you'll start seeing the returns on that. So if you want to chat more about it, feel free to get in touch. And thanks again for watching. Bye.